Hello, this is Omar with AC Power and Comfort. Today we're taking care of this is a 10-ton ream or Ruud, yes, Ruud package system. As you can see, today I am going to be doing a maintenance on the evaporator coil. The coil's pretty much dirty, as well as the blower wheel. That will be sanitized as well. Everything in here is properly sealed. The best thing to do to save time and money is for the client as well, is you really don't need to be cutting any coils, tubing, in order to remove the evaporator. If you properly use contractor bags and seal around the area with some Gorilla Tape, dry the area on the drain pan, flip the tape over as I did here, just like I did here. It's not coming out at all, sealed up to here. The electrical section as well as the insulation on some of the areas out here is covered up, just in case if any mist or spraying of the water or chemicals get on it. Inside the return section, I put a blanket underneath there and then another blanket on top. Not inside the return. That's inside the return you have the blanket, and then on top of the return you have another blanket up there on top, and then the actual contractor bags, and then you flip the bags in an angle so that the water flows downward in this downward position. Once water picks a trail, the remaining water will follow through. But basically this is what we're doing today. It's a evaporator cleaning, pressure washing it. This is a before shot. We will be taking an after shot after this. It's something very basic to do. AC Power and Comfort maintenance services for commercial units. www.acpowercomfort.com. That's www.acpowercomfort.com. Thank you for viewing.